What's good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If it is the first time you're touching down on the channel, welcome to Small Feet, Big Heat. We talk sneakers, we talk streetwear, and everything in between. Today, y'all can see it in the title and the thumbnail. I am back with another unboxing, and it is a Hat Club unboxing. So y'all already know what time it is. We about to see some heat today. Let's go ahead and open it up. I always try to give y'all the first look, so here we go. Make sure y'all got a good, yeah, y'all can see. I think it's this way. Okay, all right. We got some nice artwork on the box. Hat Club Horror Pack. Let's go. Spooky season. And the box has the little bit of blood splatter on there. That's dope. Let me give y'all a better look at the artwork on the box. That is pretty sick. All right, let's pop this open, see what we're working with. You know, Hat Club always got surprises up their sleeve. Got the card on top. This is that Instagram promo shot that they put up yesterday. You can see all of the hats in the chair. It's a dope shot. Even got the little Hat Club logos on the two front chairs. It's dope. It's in the details. All right, so it says, no tricks here, all treats. Shout out to Made by Rick for the pin designs. Okay, so shout out to @MadeByRick on Instagram. Boom. Really nice work. And I'm sure we'll see the pins as we get deeper into this box. What else we got? Some popcorn. You can't have movies without the popcorn. That buttery, salty movie theater popcorn. Y'all know the vibes. We also have some red vines. All right, that's a classic. Red vines are kind of like Twizzlers for those of y'all that may not know. And I like Twizzlers, so I'm not complaining. I have a major sweet tooth, so any type of candy that comes my way, it's getting demolished. And there's also a pamphlet in here. No, this isn't a pamphlet. It's a poster. It's like a mini poster. That's dope, because I just said that was a sick shot. Yeah, that's fire. And this actually kind of lines up with my pin board. So I think this will actually fit on my pin board. I might stick it to there. There is something else in here. Not too sure what it is though. Kind of looks like maybe some fake blood tablets or something like that. Let's see. Yeah, I think they might be those fake blood tablets or something like that. And of course the pins. So here's looks like a navy blue one. Navy blue, like star, peaker pin. I like the scary vibes. You got the Made logo for Made by Rick. Hat Club on the back. And the backers, the rubber backers are stars. That's pretty cool. And there's another pin in here. This one looks completely different, but I like it. This one's kind of like flesh colored. It's got the staples in the face. Made once again, the logo. Hat Club on the back. And those yellow star rubber backers. These are clean. I like peaker pins. I already know these are gonna go crazy on the hat, so I'll make sure I show them to you in the B-roll. And now, of course, we gotta dive into these hats. Let's start with this one, because the color is just calling my name. All right, so this is an Atlanta Braves joint. This is from the Hat Club collection that just dropped. So these are available now on the website. The Jack-o'-lantern pack. It's like an all-over orange crown, orange top bill. And the color of the orange, if I had to say it was similar to something, it kind of gives me Reese's Pieces vibes. You know, I know it's supposed to be a pumpkin, jack-o'-lantern themed pack, but it definitely gives me Reese's Pieces vibes, which I don't have a problem with at all. That orange, it's a real nice orange. Yellow on the inside of that Atlanta Braves front logo, black outline, and then a greater white outline, which I believe glows in the dark, and we will test that. 1995 World Series side patch. I love that green in there. Like that green, it's different. There's some lighter orange back there as well. I believe the outline on the patch glows. Welcome to the show. We got the baddie in there. Flat batterman on the back, orange in the corner, white in the middle, green on the opposite side. Tonal New Era flag. And of course, green UV with the black guts, which I think really pulls it together. Big fall vibes, you know, pumpkin patches, jack-o'-lanterns, the whole nine. You definitely get fall time, spooky vibes from this hat. It's something about this shade of green that just go crazy in the side patch, though. I'm not gonna lie to you. That is a good looking patch. Color placement's on point, but that green just hits. It really pops off of the orange hat. That's crazy. But I am gonna grab my black light so we could check out that glow. All right, so I'm back. I tested it out and I can confirm that the hat does have a really nice glow to it. So all of the white around the front logo, the white stitching around the side patch, including the white stitching on that batterman in there, that mini batterman inside, that glows as well. The text that says the show in white, that glows also. And the white on the flat baddie on the back, that glows. So all of those hits glow, and it's actually a pretty decent glow. I'll go ahead and throw up some pictures on the side so y'all can see what it looks like as well. And for those of y'all that might be wondering, this hat was made in China. So this next hat is a New York Mets, and this is from the Hat Club Horror Pack, I believe, which drops tomorrow, Friday, 2 p.m. Eastern on the website, and it'll be in stores Saturday. But this one's a two-tone, olive colored crown, gray top bill, gray button on top to match. And y'all know I love that tricolor Mets logo. Very, very nice. On the inside, it's like a cream color, red and black outline. There's great color placement too, where they chose to put the red where it kind of looks like it's dripping almost. Looks like dripping blood, which definitely gives you those horror vibes. It's a Mets Shea Stadium side patch on this one. Same colors from the front logo. So cream, red, black, flat baddie on the back, cream in the middle, black on this side, red in the corner. Tonal New Era flag. Red UV on this one, black guts. This is a clean hat for sure. And for those of y'all that might be wondering, this one is also made in China. I definitely want to show y'all the pin. So let's go ahead and throw these on the hat. I think I'm going to put the navy blue one with the yellow eyes, this one right here. I'm gonna throw this one on the jack-o'-lantern, and I'm gonna throw this guy on the Mets. Let's see how that looks. Okay, I like that. I like that. All right, let's put the backs on there, and I can show y'all what it's looking like. Y'all let me know down below in the comment section, but I think that's cold. All right, let's take a look at the darker one. Boom. There it is. All right, so I'm looking at it on my phone right now because I want to make sure I'm giving y'all the right information. And it says that if you buy one of the hats from the horror pack, so the horror pack, you'll get the black Starboy pin. So that's this joint right here with the yellow eyes. There it is. And the Circus Boy, Good Boy, and Michael Boy are available for purchase separately. So if any of y'all are picking up any of the hats from the horror pack, that's how the pins are gonna work. The jack-o'-lantern pack is already on the Hat Club website. So if you're interested in any of these, you can already cop these on the website right now. And of course, my affiliate link is always in the video description, as well as the pinned comment if you want to use that link and help out the channel. Now, if you're new to Hat Club, you might not know, but this Mets was a part of the original horror pack. So I have seen this hat for a while floating around online, and it's a good hat. It's a great hat. But I have to say, the jack-o'-lantern really surprised me. I was not expecting for that orange to go so crazy. Like, why does that orange hit so hard? With the green and the yellow, like, it all just comes together really nicely. A lot nicer than I was expecting in hand. The green UV, it's a good look. It's a real good look. Don't sleep on these. As always, if you enjoyed today's video, remember to like, comment, subscribe, show a small YouTuber some love, and I will check y'all out in the next one.